All right, but we are going to begin with the debt ceiling. That showdown in Washington. This is something that could have a major impact on your money and global markets. And here's what's going on. The Treasury is expected to confirm today that the U.S. has reached its so-called debt ceiling. That is the nation's legal borrowing limit. Republicans want cuts before they vote to increase it. Well, Democrats are saying that that risks a government default, which would be a very bad thing indeed. Scott MacFarlane is on Capitol Hill. He's following it for us. Scott, the more people learn about this, it seems like the more they want to shake their head. Good morning.
Absolutely, Tony. Good morning. Emergency measures go in place today from the U.S. Treasury Department to give Congress a few months to raise the debt ceiling. But the political fight during that period could have big consequences on the U.S. economy. In Washington, a dangerous standoff is looming. Later today, the Treasury Department is expected to announce it's taking extraordinary measures to prevent America from defaulting on its debt. Those include shifting money between government accounts. The Treasury will also temporarily hold off payments to some federal employee retirement plans and health funds for retired postal workers to give Congress a few more months to raise the debt ceiling. Republicans who control the U.S. House, and particularly those who demanded concessions from Kevin McCarthy before he became Speaker, say they want promises Washington will cut its expenses before raising the debt limit.
Why wouldn't we sit down now, set a budget, set a path to get us to a balanced budget, and let's start paying this debt off?
But the White House says it won't negotiate over such a vital thing.
This is something that should be happening without conditions.
$529 is your total?
At his hardware store in Maryland, Bill Hart has little margin for error to remain profitable and to keep all 50 of his employees.
It is a big responsibility when you're responsible for this many people's livelihoods and families.
Which means he doesn't want the uncertainty, which could be coming.
Just last week I purchased for Halloween and Christmas, so in this business you have to plan way out, especially when you're getting things shipped over from overseas.
Virginia Democrat Abigail Spamberger says just the possibility of brinksmanship could rattle the markets, 401ks, and trigger a recession.
Leaders within the financial sector, economists, business owners have already begun to really, explain and ring the alarm bells of why this is an issue.
The nation's debt limit is $31.4 trillion, but without more borrowing, the government can't pay for expenses it's already incurred. The last time Congress nearly breached the debt ceiling was 2011, and it caused a downgrade of the U.S. credit rating and a shock to the stock market. Nate?
Scott, thank you.